In Jamaica, we speak two languages. One is English, which is a professional language. It's a language of industry, commerce, and academia. And then we have Patois, which is our colloquial language, which is spoken every day. It's used in performing arts and and cultural activities. But oftentimes in parts of the world, Jamaicans are mistaken for not being educated because of the amount of English we actually speak in a conversation. And so, what I say, even though I believe largely it's because of the accent many times that we may be misunderstood as being so. Not everybody is sensitive to accents. So, my thing though, with the amount of English we actually speak, because English is actually a language of the professional language, we need to maybe up the amount of English our children speak by doing at least a 50-50 in the home. And I mean 50-50, 50% English, 50% Patois, or, intermix it at a rate where they're not awkward when they're in conversations with other people who speak English on an everyday basis. All right. This will actually vastly improve how we communicate and how we're perceived, whether it's internationally or in the workplace professionally. But by no means let us not think for any minute that, Patois is anyway less than English, because it is, again, the language we speak the most. We just have to make sure that we're equally, vibrant with speaking English as we do Patois in order to have a standard development in our everyday life and in the workplace. Thanks for watching Bob Montego. If you have not yet done so, please like, share, subscribe, and tell someone about my videos. Thanks again for watching.